breaks, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be, baby?
Hello guys, my name is Clari Bandz and thank you so much for clicking on this video. If this is your first time, welcome, and if you are returning, thank you so much. I'm so grateful for you, and I'm hoping that you like this video and you comment. I always like to hear your comments. Like, reading your comments is the only thing that makes me want to record another video. So welcome. And on today's video, I will be taking you guys who go for lunch with my friend. We're going out for lunch today, and then the second part of the video I'll be showing you things that I got from H&M. I got some things from H&M home, so I'll show you that when we get back from lunch. Like, I'm going to put the video after the one from the lunch. And thank you so much, and keep on watching. At this new place, I love to discover new places, and in Korea a lot of malls, they have like everything you need: shopping, the views, the restaurants, everything. So today we went out for lunch and we just wanted to check out the place. So we went to this place. Is called like the lotteoutlet Villa Class. I don't know, I'm going to probably put the address on the description box where we went. So we just popped in. I wanted to check out the S22. The S22, Samsung S22 was launched, and I'm crazy about phones. I'm that obsessed. And I just wanted to check out how the phones are, so that I can see if I'm so that I can see if I want that one or not. But I think I want one. When I saw the phone, I want one because it's like an S20 with a pen, so it's like a note, like it has been combined. I want to have the first phone, the first S that came with a pen, you know. So we checked that out. I just checked out the phone, the calibration, everything, and I didn't make, because with these phones you have to do a, how do they call it, you have to do a pre-order. But I didn't get to do a pre-order here because it's too far from me. If I do a pre-order, I'll have to go all the way back to get it, which was not a bad idea. But I'm just going to get a pre-order just around me.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be, baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me, on track. think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, know it's all love, know it's all love. I've been feeling like the motherfucking man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all up. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love, know it's all love.
We just got back and I'm just going to change real quick and then try to show you the things that I got from H&M home. A few days ago, I didn't get them today because today was not a shopping day. So let me just change into something more comfortable and show you the things that I got. I popped into H&M and I got I needed towels. I had to go to H&M home to get some towels, and you know, it's never just one thing. You go for one thing, you end up with other things. So I'm going to show you the things that I got because I'm trying to make my bathroom like green and white. So I'm going to show you guys the things that I got, and I'm grown up. You know you're grown up when towels excite you. So I got like these towels from the H&M, like this big. So I'm trying to go with the green and white theme for my bathroom. So I got these ones. They were really, I didn't expect them to be, well, considering the prices of towels, you would think that this would be something else. I got this for 14,901. This large, they're this big, and I got like, I think two of these. I got two of the greens, and then I got the white. So just to keep it like green and white, so I got two of the white and two of the greens. And personally, I feel like maintaining the white towels is really easier than color, because you know when the white is dirty and then you just bleach them and it's clean. But the colored ones, you can use them for months, but you just feel like, oh, it's clean, it's clean, it's clean, it's clean. So I got this, and then in the same theme, I had to get this rug. I got a rug that, because the way H&M, the way they organize, every towel has a rug, you know, just to keep you in line with what you're getting. So this is the rug, like the bathroom floor rug, and it matches so well with the towel. So every towel color has a rug. There was white, there was black, there was pink. Before I had pink going on in my bathroom, but I just thought green and white looks good. So these are the things I got from H&M for the home. And then for home too, I just popped into like a beauty supply store, and then I was looking for something that would make green and white. So I got this, and in here, I don't even know the brand. In here they have a body wash and body lotion. Like, it's a set of 3. See, it's a set of 3. They have like the body wash, the lotion, 2 body wash and the lotion. So I like it because it's the green and white, you know. And then I got some things too, like I got this t-shirt. It's like a vintagey t-shirt. It's written Metallica. Anybody who knows me knows that I love vintage t-shirts. I love vintage t-shirts so much that at one point I thought I should start my own brand, you know. I got this. The Metallica is in green. And I got the extra small because if the large looks like a dress, if you have the large, you need to just wear it like a dress. So I got the extra small, and I like the feel. It was just 19,001. And then I also got this because I need something like this for all the cream white pants and browns that I've been getting. So I got these like a collar and rib knit. I got a large, and it was just 19,002. I would have gotten, they had this and this and in this brown, but I only got this. I would have gotten this brown too because I need it. So maybe I'll have to go back to get that. And then I got a shirt that doesn't fit at all. The shirt didn't fit at all. It's just not my size, even though it's large, but the boob area was so small I could not even button it up. I cannot even do anything with this shirt, so I don't need that. And then I got this. This is like just something to throw. It's really light. It's light and pretty and brown. And I got the last time I have one of these in an orangey. It was large, but it's too short. I got an extra large this time just to make sure that it's goes a little bit below my stomach. And then I got these boyfriend jeans, like long length. I normally don't have long length jeans because I always say I have good shoes to just show off my shoes, but these, I love this so much. Like it's a long length with ribbed, and it's blue with white wash. I just saw this with like, it goes with everything, with my shoes and my t-shirts. And then I got these cargo pants. These cargo pants, like, I've tried to get these from every website, but each time they come, they are really so small. Like the cargo pants with the stitching, like, how do I say it, with another color stitching, like threads going through. I got these. And I love these, even though they look a little bit bigger. They're baggier than I thought. I would have gotten, they're baggier than I thought. I would have gotten like a size down, but I love it. I love this. It's breathable. You don't have to just, you know, force everything in. Then what else? Oh, and then I have to show you what I got for Valentine's Day. Somebody got me a Valentine's Day gift. And I don't get Valentine's Day gifts so much. Somebody got me a watch. Oh, I got a watch for Valentine's Day. It must be nice. And I got this. This initially, I wanted to give this to Karine as a Valentine's Day gift, but she's so unromantic that if you give her something, it's like, what are you trying to do? So I'm keeping this for myself because I love like the Versace. This, the bright crystal is my smell. I love this. I have this in the big and this, like the pocket one. That's what I got there. And I'm just going to keep this for myself. I'm not giving it to Karine because she'll do too much. She'll not like it. She'll not appreciate it as much as if I use it, I'll appreciate it. And then it has like a body lotion that smells the same like the perfume, and it smells great. So guys, that's it. That's all about this video, and thank you so much. And please, if you're just watching without subscribing, I don't know what to compare it to, but please subscribe, like the video, and comment. Please always comment. I love to read your comments, and thank you so much for watching. Thank you, guys. thank you guys, and bye until next video.
Sleep, body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what is going